Hello everyone! If your Webflow site not loading at all, black screen, endless spinner or timeout, don't panic, this is almost always a domain, publishing or browser issues. So when a site won't load, it means the browser can properly reach Webflow servers or your domain isn't pointing to them correctly. So first of all, you need to check if Webflow is down. First, quickly let's go ahead to status.webflow.com. This is a page that will tell you exactly if the server problem is from their end or your end. As you can see, the hosted websites are working without any issue. There was an issue here. There was two components had a major outage, but overall today everything is operational and everything is working without any issues. So this is a good page to know about. In the future, it will help you a lot. It has day by day like announcements and basically notifications. So keep it in mind. Second of all is to test the webflow.io domain. Open simply webflow.io. So I'm going to do this. Here we go. And this basically, if this loads, your site is fine. And the problem is 100% your custom domain or DNS. So what you will need to do is to verify your domain and DNS settings. In case you have the custom ones, which you will simply do by going right here. Let me just go to my site. Here we go. So once you open your site and you try to publish it, they will ask you if you want to publish it in a custom domain. Here, as you can see, this is not a custom domain, but when you try to do custom domain, you will need to pay for a premium plan, and then they will give you the access to the actual custom domain. So when you try to custom domain, you will be asked to actually write down DNS settings. So make sure that your a record and basically your text record and any record that you are writing down is correctly made. That should fix any issues in the future. And finally, it might be a browser issue. So try to open it from your phone, try to open it from another PC, or tell a friend to open your site and see if it is working. If not, that means it is from your actual domain. So you need to ask your platform that you bought the domain from for help, or simply if it worked for your friend, you simply have to go here, clear your cache and data and cookies, and reopen the site, and this should fix it. And yeah, that was it. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.